up, sisters? Today I'm showing you how I add volume back into my hair. I'm starting with the old twist out that I retwisted using the LCO method, which is a leave-in or liquid, cream or moisturizer, or an oil, which helps seals in all that moisture. So this is just the old twist out, and this is going based off the porosity of my hair, which I believe is low to medium, in between that. If you want us to expand on porosity, please leave a comment below. I'm going to start by slicking down my edges with Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Edge Control. Gotta have these babies laid down, and I really love this product from Carol's Daughter. It is a staple in my bag. I want to shout out to Amazon for sending that lovely product to me and all the other products to create this look. My twist out is about 4 days old, and I just wanted to retwist my hair with the LCO method to add some moisture back into my hair and get a little bit more defined curls so I can create this curly fro. My hair is laying a little flat thanks to postpartum shedding, so I need to add some volume back into my hair, and I'm going to do that by picking and teasing at my roots. I'm going to show you how. And if I didn't mention before, I think I haven't, but the reason I'm getting all dressed up and dolled up is because it's about to be my 9-year anniversary with my husband. We started officially dating back in 2009 on Valentine's Day, so it is our anniversary, and he loves when my hair is big, so I'm picking it out just for our occasion. As some of you know, I did recently cut my hair to make it a little top heavy and give it a little shape, so I am moving in that direction and using my fingers to, separate some of the twist a little more. And I'm going to focus more so on the top of my head because that's where I want the volume to be added. So I'm just teasing, bringing my bangs down to get that shape going. This year I'm definitely trying to love up on myself, starting with my hair. That's why I did my own haircut and learning the porosity of my hair, trying to really pay attention to my hair care needs and being a lot more patient with it at this length. And I think I'm about done teasing my hair out. And there is an updated tutorial on my twist out and the current products I'm using. Make sure you check that video out. You can find all the products I use at amazon.com/textures-hues, where you can find all your favorite hair products. You can search by hair type, product category, or your favorite brand, and most products have their 2-day shipping. The link to Amazon Textures and Hues will be in the description box. Thanks for watching. Peace out, sisters.